Hello guys, do you know that you can actually view deleted messages on WhatsApp even after the sender has already deleted it? I mean, someone sent you a message and he immediately deleted the message before you can see the message. Do you know you can actually see the message even despite the fact that the person has actually deleted the message? Follow me in this video. I'm going to show you the process. So what we'll be doing is there are many apps that we can use to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So what we want to do is we'll go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, then you search for deleted WhatsApp messages. As you can see, you search for deleted WhatsApp messages. So it will bring you several apps that you can use to do that. But what I normally do is that I will look for the one that has largest download with very good review. In this case, as you can see, the one that is topping the list is having 10 million plus downloads and is having 4.7 star review, which is not bad. So we're going to be downloading this application, and that's what we'll be using to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So when you have this application on and connected to your WhatsApp, from there you can be able to see any message that is deleted even when the sender has actually deleted it. So I'm installing it right now. I'm installing it. Follow me. Now let's open it, and then we tap on accept. Let's follow the process. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like my video, share it to your viewers, to your friends, so they can also see it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in this case, I'm gonna select English. I've selected it, and then I'm going to connect my WhatsApp. So I have two WhatsApp on my phone. I have WhatsApp Business and normal WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to allow I'll click one of the folder that we can use. Clicking on WhatsApp folder, media. So guys, I've connected my normal WhatsApp to the application, and I can proceed from here. So just follow the prompt. You'll be able to see deleted messages on WhatsApp when you follow that prompt. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.